Good evening, everyone. This is Dr. Vaishnavi from the team of Voice of Healthcare. Today, at the second edition of National IVF Summit and Award 2025 at Mumbai, I have the pleasure of having Dr. Poonam Nair with me, and I will quickly ask her about her experience in the IVF Summit today.
Yeah, it was very interactive, very interesting. It's the panels. We got many new perspectives on the entire field. It was very enriching. Thank you.
Ma'am, I saw you speaking about the male fertility and the psychology behind it. So, is there a quick message or something that you want to highlight with this platform?
Yes, I think the counseling of male and female has to be an integral part of the IVF center, just like an embryologist and the nurses are part. Because when they are with the couple right from the beginning and they are observing their changes and realigning them towards the outcomes, the good outcome, the positive outcome, or even the negative outcomes, there are so many challenges, there are so many uncertainties in the IVF journey that if the person is not aligned properly, gradually, right from beginning to end, they actually end up losing their mental health. They come for a baby, but they end up with a mental illness. That is the sad fact. 30% go back with a successful IVF baby, 20% go back with a mental illness. I think it's a very heavy count. I mean, if you can't give them a baby, they should not go back with a mental illness.
Rightly said, ma'am. And I hope with summits like this and panel discussion around it, we can address this topic and this alarming issue can be addressed and diffused with time.
Yes, I really hope so because one can't look at a human being as a biological machinery. They have feelings, they have thoughts, they have their world, their life views. So we cannot dissociate the medical treatment from the psychological, social, and the cultural milieu.
Rightly said, ma'am. So we hope by the third edition, when we'll be hosting, we'll somewhere or the other address this issue and try and diffuse it and nullify it with time, with having professionals like you working towards it. Thank you so much for being with us, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.